Welcome back to Z01 Add-ons. Today we're going to be installing the Dodge Durango rock guards for an 19 plus Dodge Durango SRT. Let's get to it. Okay, we have our front and rear combo in the package. You'll get left and right, and then also the mounting clips. This is the primary method of mounting for our Durango SRT setup. So let's get right into showing you how these go on. So for this install, you could do it on the ground or on a lift. You will need to turn your front tires all the way to one side so you can access the full panel. But our rock guards install with our proprietary clip setup. So you're going to line the rock guard up. You can see it is shaped to the inner wheel well liner and right up to the edge. It always works best to put a clip up top first. So the clip will wrap around the inside edge. It usually works best starting from the car and then wrapping it onto the rock guard. But you'll push it in behind the wheel well ledge and then wrap it around the rock guard. And you're gonna rinse and repeat 3 along the outer edge. So on the upper flat edge, we have 1 clip, and it's gonna go in between the 2 factory bolt locations. This is a tight squeeze to get on there, but you can get it there. And then the last clip goes on the under edge of the wheel inner liner onto the body of the vehicle, onto the rock guard. Install complete for the front. Rinse and repeat on the other side. So for the rear, we're going to use the same clip motions, but we also have a factory screw location. So you will need an 8mm socket or wrench to remove this bolt, and we'll be reusing this bolt. So take that 8mm bolt, we're going to put that into the rock guard, and we'll start the mount of the rock guard with that. So we'll tighten that up by hand, position the rock guard in position, and now tighten up that bolt all the way. So at this point, you'll use 3 metal clips. We'll start from the midpoint and get it locked in position, and then work our way up to the top. Now we'll rinse and repeat on the other side, but you can see